Okay, on to chemical reactions. With this screencast, we're going to introduce you how to write formula equations from word equations. Really, you should know most of this if you can name chemical compounds or come up with chemical compounds from a name. Alright, so example 1, we have H2 plus O2 yielding H2O. That's not a balanced formula equation, but we can make it one. Let's make it one by putting a 2 in front of here and a 2 in front of the water. Okay. So how would we say this in a word equation? We would say hydrogen and oxygen react to form water. There you have it. In a review from last unit, most elements exist as atoms. Most of the elements are metals. So for example, iron would be written just as Fe. Sodium is Na. Copper as Cu. Okay, there are 7 elements that you have to know, and they exist as diatomic molecules: H2, N2, O2, F2, Cl2, Br2, and I2. You need to know when a chemical word equation says oxygen that they mean O2. One way to remember that is to say, hey, know your halogens, H, NO, and then all of your halogens, which is group 17. One way. All right, another example. 3NO2 in the gas form plus H2O liquid yields NO in a gas plus 2HNO3AQ. How would we say that? We would say nitrogen dioxide reacts with water to form nitrogen monoxide and nitric acid. The next screencast will review how to name acids. Okay, and then a third one, sodium sulfate and aluminum nitrate react to yield sodium nitrate and aluminum sulfate. How would you write that formula equation? Again, it really is just writing your formulas. So you would first write sodium sulfate, Na2SO4, aluminum nitrate, sodium nitrate, aluminum sulfate, and then balance the equation. That's really all there is to word equations and formula equations. So if you can balance chemical reactions and you know your formulas from words, you should be all set.